Now, let's go ahead and reinstall the padding. First thing I want to start with is going to be that top liner. So I move that helmet over onto its side here, and I line up kind of get everything in place for the most part. Then I'm going to start with the notches right here along the top. I want to just kind of slip these in and just make sure everything's kind of an over. This one's kind of an under over. And this allows us to get everything lined up. That last one's a little tricky, but if you just kind of work its way in here, you can snap it into place. So as you can see, we've got it under these tabs and over the other tabs here. Now everything is locked into place in the front. And now for the back, this is simply going to line these plastic pieces up in between the EPS liner and the shell. And there's a couple tabs on the trim ring itself. That's going to help keep that in place. So again, we're just going to kind of work it in here. I'd start with one edge and kind of work my way in. And very easy process. And I just kind of make sure everything is pushed down as far as I can go along the back here. The next step we're going to do, we're actually going to start with our cheek pads here. So we're going to start, it doesn't matter which side, just thread your chin strap in through the hole on the cheek pad. Make sure you get the right one. So the next item we're going to start with is going to be the cheek pads. All you have to do, thread that chin strap through the hole in the cheek pad. Get it in the general location, and then just line up your snaps. Doesn't matter which way you start with. I find the back is kind of the easiest, sometimes the front, depending on the helmet. And then just make sure you snap in the top one as well. And now we move on to the other side. So again, thread that chin strap through the hole in the cheek pad. Get that nice and tight. And get your cheek pad in the general vicinity, and just use the snaps and snap it into place. And there's that one along the front there. Like so. The next step after the cheek pads is to get our neck roll reinstalled into the helmet. So what we want to do, there's two holes right here on the trim ring, just below the chin curtain here. And we're going to line these pins up into those holes and just kind of slot it in around the trim ring. Start with both pins in first. Once we've got that set, now we can work that neck roll all the way around the helmet and give it a little bit of flex. Just be careful you don't kink it, because it will not. And now we just work our way all the way around the shell here and get that neck roll reinstalled underneath. Takes a little bit of doing, but once you get this slotted into place, it will latch on pretty securely underneath the tabs on the trim ring. So you see, once I've got it in place, be a nice snug fit right against that trim ring there. And now you've got that reinstalled, we're all set to go.